Another car by Scalextric. This is the Mercedes AMG GT3 Bathurst 24-hour champion 2019. Gruppe M Racing. Gruppe M Racing. This is a Mercedes. This is a beautiful car. I sold one of these last week. Okay, beautiful car. I don't have a lot of these left. And a nice fin on this thing. This thing is just a beautiful car. Always check your guide braids. Make sure that they are pointing just to the bottom of the guide pin, so you'll have good contact. Look at how quiet that baby is. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Go over to like, subscribe. What does my comment brother have to say?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. He's always got a comment about something.
No, not at all.
Not at all?
No, that's you that has a comment
I
about
see,
something.
I see.
Commenting about me not commenting.
I see, okay. See how quiet that is? This is a Mercedes, baby. And this is where the DPR chip goes right here.
Question, do the lights work?
Yes, the lights work. We were showing them.
Yes,
See?
the lights work.
They're LED. Now,
That's awesome.
the issues with the lights is obviously you only have power when you're doing the throttle, okay? And that's always been an issue with the lights, is that if you go slow, your lights aren't going to be as bright as if you're going full throttle. Now with digital, they're always on because you've always got power. So this is the Mercedes AMG. And they're available now at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. We're always getting new items. We got plenty of Batmobiles coming also from Scalextric. But this is a Mercedes-Benz AMG at ProTinkerToys.com. Item number C4075. C4075 available right now. Limited quantities. Limited quantities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give a thumbs up.